Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar Dattatreya Bhagat and today is 28th of April 2022 and it's my original video. So our today's topic is the class loader in Java. So basically the Java class loader is an abstract class. It belongs to java.lang package. Actually in the packages the class loader contains and the class loader contains in the java.lang packages. It loads the class from different resources. Java class loader is used to load the classes at runtime. In other words, the Java virtual machine actually performs the linking process at runtime. Classes are loaded into the Java virtual machine, and according to need, if a loaded class depends on another class, that class is loaded well. And when we request to load a class, it delegates the class to its parent class. And basically, according to this, the Java class loader is based on the three principles. That is, the first principle is an delegation, the second principle is visibility, and the third principle is an uniqueness. So we will see one by one. So first of all, the delegation principle. Actually, the delegation principle, um, what it actually does is that it forwards the when the class is loaded, then for class loading, it forwards first of all to the parent class, and first of all it checks whether it is loaded primarily or not. Once it is the primarily loaded, then again it will be not loading. Then we will go to the second principle, that is visibility principle. Actually, in visibility principle, this principle, it allows the child class loader to see all the classes loaded by the parent class loader, but the parent class loader classes actually cannot see the classes loaded by the child class loader. So this is an visibility principle. Then again, the third one is an uniqueness principle. The uniqueness principle means what it actually is. Means once the class is loaded at the once, then it checks and it ensures that before it is class loaded or not. And if it is not loaded, then the class loads only one time. That is an uniqueness principle. Then we will move forward and we will see the types of the class loader. So basically, in Java, every class loader has a predefined location from where they load class files. So actually, from this, there are following types of the class loader in Java. So basically, there are three types of class loader in Java. So first one is an bootstrap class loader, second one is an extension class loader, and third one is an system class loader. So we will see one by one. In bootstrap class loader, actually it is an parent of an all class loader. Whatever primarily execution is going, so first of all, the bootstrap is an parent of an every class loader. It doesn't have any parent. So bootstrap itself is an main class loader. So again, the next one is an extension class loader. In extension class loader, actually it delegates the class loading request to its parent class. Means the extension class loader, what the actually it performs the task, that is it just passes its request to the bootstrap class loader. It delegates its request. Then again, the third one is an system class loader. In system class loader, it loads the application specific classes from the class path environment variable. So like this, these are the three types of class loaders. So again, the working of the class, we will see the working of an class loader. So actually, the working of the class loader is then uh, uh, as we have primarily discussed on three principle it is working. So first of all, it forwards the class loaded. It actually checks whether the class is loaded primarily, and only the parent class loads parent class, that is then bootstrap class loader loads the class loader. Then again, it allows the child class loader to see all classes loaded by the parent class loader, but the parent class loader does not allow to load the child class loader. So again, the also it checks for the uniqueness. That is, it checks whether primarily if the class is loaded once, then it doesn't load again and again. So like this, it follows the rules. Then again, there are some rules which class loader follows. So there are three rules which class loader follows the rules. First of all, it will check the class if it is already loaded. Then the second rule is that if the class is not loaded, then it will ask the parent class loader to load the class. And then the third rule is that if parent class loader cannot load the class, then attempt to load the class to its class loader. So like this, the class loader perform an operation. So this is all about the class loader. Thank you.